stretch of road, miles of light explode, drifting off the things I'd never done before.
We had a bit of a change of plan. We're now at Gambel's Rest after spending a night in a hotel, so I could try and fix my laptop. We consequently ended up getting a job, which will probably have started by the time you see this. Working as a farm au pair, farm hand, kind of part of the family. It sounds really good. We're really excited to start. We didn't make it at One Bay in Caves. My laptop's done. I've got to send it back to the UK, which cost me a bit. We didn't have enough money really to go to prancing around caves, so we're here. We're going to do some hiking around Gambel's Point. There seems to be lots of stuff to see. Hopefully tonight we're going to see some glowworms.
Should be good.
We're in Morton National Park, come to see some awesome lookouts. We had a kind of a strange morning. A very angry man was shouting about how Poms should go back to Great Britain. When you got out of the tent though, it is gone, so. Anyway, prepare yourself for an awesome lookout montage.
Watching the crowd roll in, out go the lights and begins, feeling in my bones I never felt before. People always told me that bars are dark and lonely, and talk is often cheap and filled with air. Sure, sometimes they thrill me, but nothing could ever chill me like the way they make the time just disappear. Feeling you here again, hot on my skin again, feeling good, thing I never known before. What does it mean to feel millions of dreams come real? Feeling in my soul I never felt before. You always told me, no matter how long it holds me, if it falls apart, it makes us millionaires. Be right here forever, go through this thing together, and on heaven's golden shore lay our heads.
We left Morton National Park and drove 3 hours north past Oberon, a tiny dead town, and we're in Boyd River Campground. It doesn't seem to be very near a river, We haven't found a route yet, but it's nice enough. Lots and lots of space, lots of kangaroos, lots of trees, and the sun's setting through the trees. Looks good. We're gonna go hiking tomorrow and see if we can see some more waterfalls. Should be good.
Got him.
We're on our way to Canandra Walls. We just saw our first snake slithering across the road. Probably highly venomous, so we stayed away. We're gonna go see the canyon, then maybe later we'll go and see some waterfalls. Should be good.
So much going on these days. Forget about instinct. That's not what pays. Pleasure up and down my smile. I can't move extinct. It's all worthwhile. Tell me, spin what has not been done. I'll rush out and do it, or are we doing it now? Seizure is the thrill of the day. Forget about feeling. That's not what pays. But you know, all of this can change. Remember the promise as a kid you made. We are the innovators. They are imitators. Come on, don't you know how we started? We forgot about love, but we're broken hearted.
The joys of filming everything we do. Had an awesome time exploring Canangra Boyd National Park. We saw Canangra Walls, Morang Falls, and we tackled a creek, which is a pretty good achievement. Gonna go have some dinner in the lodge tonight. I'll show you some video of it in a bit.